guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify when it's playing random songs. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. At the top left corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to open your profile and access account settings. Next, scroll down a bit and select Settings and Privacy. Here you can manage all your Spotify account options. This is where we will perform the first fix. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. Tap on Log Out to sign out of your account. After logging out, log back in to refresh Spotify and fix the random song issue. If the issue still happens, open your App Store iOS or Play Store Android. Use the search bar to find Spotify and tap on the app. If an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version of the app. Once updated, open Spotify again and try playing your playlist. Now, the songs should play in the correct order without random shuffling. This method usually fixes the problem completely. So that's how you can easily fix Spotify playing random songs by logging out and updating the app. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.